एक ट्रेडिशनल क्वालिफिकेशन के साथ या शायद एक MBA फाइनेंस की डिग्री के साथ मैं इन तीनों क्वालिफिकेशंस को देख लूँ, CI में करने से मेरे प्रोफेशनल जर्नी को कितना इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा, फाइनेंशियली उस पर कितना इम्पैक्ट होगा.
Every week there are about 50 jobs being posted over there.
Wow.
Right from junior most executive to the CFO level.
Wow.
So a CIMA student, whatever he invests, he gets a 1.5x return on his investment. तो अगर उसने 100 रुपया डाला है उसको 150 रुपये मिल रहे हैं. मेरा मतलब है अगर कोर्स की फी 1 लाख रुपया है, straight away the ROI is within 6 months of completing. Once he gets a job, he gets 1.5. He was doing CIMA and I asked him, I said, sir, why are you doing CIMA? I mean, this is finance and you have done medicine. He said, because I want to start my own chain of diagnostic centers. I want to understand how a business is run. I was never taught finance in medicine. CIMA will also teach me decision making. CIMA will also teach me people skills. CIMA will also teach me business skills.
Wow.
CIMA will also teach me leadership skills.
Hi everyone. Today we have an honor to have somebody very special with us. We have Ajay Lalwani. Ajay heads CIMA India with about 20 years of experience across education sector. He's been heading CIMA for almost about 9-10 years he spent in CIMA.
That's correct.
Thank you so much for being here.
Honor.
आज सर थोड़ा डिफरेंट करते हैं, थोड़ा डिफरेंट इस तरह से करते हैं कि आज इसको हम मैं आपसे कुछ रैंडम क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, आपने मेरे को हेल्प करना है उसको सॉल्व करने में.
बिल्कुल.
सर CIMA क्वालिफिकेशन बहुत लोग जानते हैं और बहुत अच्छी तरह जानते हैं, बट इसको ना हम एक अलग प्रोस्पेक्टिव, अलग नज़रिए से देखने की कोशिश करेंगे. मुझे हेल्प कीजिए कि CIMA एज ए क्वालिफिकेशन कितना डिफरेंट है फॉर समबडी हु इज एन अंडरग्रेड और अ ग्रेजुएशन जिसने कंप्लीट किया, फॉर समबडी हु इज विद से अबाउट 8 to 10 years of experience, or for somebody who is about 20 years experience in the industry. How would the same qualification have a different experience or a different learning across all three?
Right. So firstly, thank you for inviting me, Abhishek. It's a true honor to be here.
Sir.
Thank you to Wall Street for having me here. That's a very, very pertinent question that is actually on the minds of a lot of people. कि CIMA का जो impact है वो across demographics कैसे impact करता है.
एक जर्नी, एक्सपीरियंस जर्नी के ऊपर. हाँ.
एक्सपीरियंस जर्नी के ऊपर. So जो फ्रेशर है, राइट, उनके लिए इम्पैक्ट कैसे करता है, बिकॉज जो वो सीख रहे हैं अभी यूनिवर्सिटी में या कॉलेज में, वो करिकुलम पिछले 20-30 साल से वही चल रहा है, इवॉल्व नहीं हुआ है.
जी.
थिंग्स हैव इवॉल्व्ड, AI हैज कम इन, ऑटोमेशन हैज कम इन, स्पेशली कोविड के बाद डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजीज का एक्सेलरेशन एक्सपोनेंशियल हुआ है. अबाउट प्री कोविड इट यूज्ड टू मूव इन अ लीनियर फैशन, बट नाउ टेक्नोलॉजी इज मूविंग एट एन एक्सपोनेंशियल रेट, एंड we are all seeing the impact of ChatGPT and GPT and LLMs, which is large language models.
जी.
So, जो learning CIMA की curriculum की है, वो basically dynamic है. It's evolving with time as we speak. So, they are learning new technology and new age curriculum.
बट सर वो तो सबके लिए है ना, वो तो अक्रॉस तीनों सेगमेंट्स जो हमने बात की वो तीनों के लिए होंगी.
हाँ.
मैं ये आपसे जानना चाहूँगा कि ठीक है, आपने एक क्वालिफिकेशन को इवॉल्व किया ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, और अच्छी बात यह है कि लॉट ऑफ ट्रेडिशनल कोर्सेज इन इंडिया आर स्टिल समवेयर देयर. सो गुड पार्ट इज दैट यस यू हैव अ कोर्स और अ क्वालिफिकेशन व्हिच इज इवॉल्व्ड एंड लेटेस्ट फॉर व्हाटएवर रीजंस.
राइट.
अभी इन तीनों उन पे इम्पैक्ट कैसे होगा, इन तीनों प्रोफेशनल जो कोई एक फ्रेशर है, कोई मिड लेवल पे है और कोई एक सीनियर लेवल पे है, इन तीनों के लिए सेम लर्निंग कैसे डिफरेंट इम्पैक्ट देगी?
सो जो करंट कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स है, एज यू नो, statistics out there in the market, and these are not my figures, these are figures by industry experts. 70% of the young graduates today are unemployable. CIMA brings in employability.
बहुत बढ़िया सर.
CIMA brings in curriculum and learning and skill sets which are new age and relevant for the job market. And these are insights. ये जो insights हमने gather की हैं through our round tables and through our interaction and networking with the industry. So corporate demand करता है कुछ skill sets, academia provide कर रहा है कुछ skill sets, उसमें बहुत बड़ा gap है.
जी.
वो disparity को कम करने के लिए, वो gap को कम करने के लिए, we bring in our curriculum and we bring in the professional certification and qualification. That's as far as the freshers are concerned, between the age group of 16 to 18 to 21, 24.
जी.
Now we come to mid career. हाल ही में आपने देखा होगा, मैं नाम नहीं ले सकता हूँ, बहुत बड़ी ITES कंपनी ने 12,000 के करीबन लोगों को रिट्रेंच किया। और अगर आप वो डेमोग्राफिक देखेंगे, वो संख्या देखेंगे या वो एज कैटेगरी देखेंगे, ऑल मिडिल मैनेजर्स, दे आर द बिगेस्ट एट रिस्क टू बिकम रिडंडेंट बिकॉज ऑफ एआई एंड ऑटोमेशन। तो ये उनको न्यू एज स्किल्स प्रोवाइड कर रहा है। जनरल, it is having the same impact. It's providing them with new skill sets and tools and mindsets, right? Now we come to the experienced professionals.
जी.
Generally, इन्होंने अपनी qualification पिछले 20-30 साल पहले किए हैं. About 30 years back, 25 years back, they have reached a level of VP, AVP, CFO.
जी. Or a financial controller.
Or a financial controller. Now, if you see, where SEMA is different is it, besides the compliance, what they have learned and the controllership they have learned, we bring in forward-looking, future-looking finance professionals. And that is why if you see, the whole definition today of CFO has changed to CVO, Chief Value Officer.
Awesome, sir.
Because you have to bring in value to what you're doing. The board and the CEO is looking today as the CFO as a co-pilot, not as a controller. The word controller, if you see finance controller, has come from the word control, which is basically saying no to everything. No to spends on marketing. First, the CFO will used to ask for ROI.
कि क्यों कर रहे हैं, इसका फायदा क्या होने वाला है? हाँ.
They would not take risks. But today, if you see, 3 out of CEOs today, out of 5, are former CFOs. Because
that trend has changed. A lot of, I mean, I would relate a lot of sales and marketing guys to become CEOs over a period of time. But lately, a lot of CFOs have now become
You know why?
CEOs.
Because the CFO is in the best position today to be a CEO because he knows the pulse of the company. कितना मुनाफा हो रहा है, कितना घाटा हो रहा है, कहाँ मुनाफा हो रहा है, why on why, क्या फिगर्स है, ये बहुत सारे सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग को लोगों को पता नहीं है. They know only the territory and the region, but they don't know the health of the company, which is what a CFO knows. So he's in the best position. कुछ हद तक पहले, कुछ सालों तक, CFO would not take interest in marketing, in ERP systems, in training, in learning and development. Today, the CFO has to know about everything because the board is asking for insights on that. So, rather than historical data, which P&L, cash flow statement, balance sheet, ये तो वैसे ही bots और algos present कर रहे हैं.
Very true.
So, the board is saying, okay, why are we facing a loss in a certain market? What do we need to do? Do we need to pull out of the market or invest more in that market? Which is today what a chief value officer provides.
सर एक बात बताइए मुझे, अगर मैं ये 3 सेगमेंट्स पे बात करूं फिर से और एक ट्रेडिशनल क्वालिफिकेशन के साथ या शायद एक MBA फाइनेंस की डिग्री के साथ मैं इन तीनों क्वालिफिकेशंस को देखूं, CI में करने से मेरे प्रोफेशनल जर्नी को कितना इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा, फाइनेंशियली उस पर कितना इम्पैक्ट होगा, कितना इम्पैक्ट करेगा कि मैं अपना ग्रोथ फॉर somebody who's just a fresher or somebody who's in final year of their graduation and they would want to look at SEMA, do they get that accelerator for them by any chance?
So most of our graduates are working in Fortune 500 companies, the big 5, if you will.
Oh, so sir, I was impressed. You know, I saw your portal where a lot of job opportunities, and I was really surprised. I was really surprised कि they are looking at. There was not an and. There was either a SEMA or you can be this, an XYZ qualification, and I was like, wow, this is in India. This is not even say in Europe or something else. So, and the kind of number of jobs which are there, that was awesome. And
so we have a global career hub, which is a portal.
Ji.
Every week there are about 150 jobs being posted over there.
Wow.
Right from junior most executive to the CFO level.
Wow.
And just
अब मैं मिक्स हो जाएगा सर, तो मैं इसलिए वापस आपको लेके आना चाहूँगा कि इनके करियर ग्रोथ और ट्रैजेक्टरी पे क्या फर्क पड़ेगा.
Okay. So a SEMA student, whatever he invests, he gets a 1.5x return on his investment. तो अगर उसने 100 रुपया डाला है, उसको 150 रुपये मिल रहे हैं. मेरा मतलब है, अगर कोर्स की फी 1 लाख रुपया है, straight away the ROI is within 6 months of completing. Once he gets a job, he gets 1.5.
बट ऐसा नहीं होता ना सर, ऐसा होता है कि आप एक ग्रेजुएट हैं तो आपका एक वैल्यू तो मार्केट में ऑलरेडी है, या आपने MBA फाइनेंस कर लिया तो आपका एक वैल्यू ऑलरेडी है. मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि अगर वो ऑलरेडी वैल्यू के ऊपर सीमा ऐड करेंगे तो वो वैल्यू कितना इम्पैक्टफुल होगा? और
वो वैल्यू 2x है.
अच्छा.
So, yes, absolutely. So let's say अगर एक स्टार्टिंग सैलरी MBA की X है, if he doesn't do an MBA, if he does a CIMA after graduation or while undergoing his graduation, being an undergrad, then definitely he can get 2X. In fact, I would say 3 out of 5 students who graduate CIMA, they easily earn about 2 to 2.5X.
सीमा as a qualification,
Right.
जो mid level professionals हैं, उनको कब ये एहसास होना चाहिए कि now it's time that they should start? Is it after 8 to 10 years experience or is it around 5-6 years of experience?
I
they
think
should look at?
pre-COVID अगर आप मुझे ये सवाल पूछते तो मैं कहता कि 10 साल के बाद आप एक क्वालिफिकेशन दे सकते हैं. Not anymore. The world इतनी तेजी से बढ़ रहा है.
जी, completely
You know,
agree, sir. Very well said.
Yeah. So I think the earlier they get into the CIMA qualification, the better. In fact, we have tie-ups with universities where right from their first year, they come in, they do the first exam, which is the operational case study. In the second year, they do the master's case study, management case study.
सर एक अच्छी बात सीमा के साथ मुझे बहुत ये लगती है कि इट्स वेरी प्रैक्टिकल. आई मीन इट्स एवरीथिंग अराउंड केस स्टडीज.
Yes.
एंड ऑनेस्टली वो एक बहुत प्रैक्टिकल साइड देता है फॉर द क्वालिफिकेशन. इस चीज़ पे मैं एक चीज़ बात पूछना चाहूँगा आपसे. एक CFO राउंड टेबल होता है, वो क्या होता है सर? उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे आप?
CFO Roundtable basically एक सीरीज हम होल्ड करते हैं across the country. In fact, not in country, across the world. In fact, across the top Fortune 500 companies, where we call CFOs and CXOs from various companies, and we
Across industries?
across industries.
Okay.
It's industry agnostic, right? And we talk about topics which are basically impacting today finance professionals all over the world.
Oh.
What are those topics? Geopolitical. आप तो देख रहे हैं अभी क्या हो रहा है, हमारे देश में, हम देश के साथ with regard to tariffs and all that. So what the current administration is doing, boosting internal consumption, and you must have seen with the GST reduction right now,
जी,
right?
जी.
That's a very smart move by the current administration. Then we also talk about world affairs. We talk about how global markets are impacting whatever is happening across in the US and the UK. That's geopolitics. We talk about AI, how AI is impacting jobs, right? And whether AI is something जो हमको डरने की ज़रूरत है या हमें उसे we have to embrace it.
Correct.
Basically. So if you see, will AI replace jobs? AI will replace jobs, no doubt, but it will replace jobs which are already redundant, like transaction oriented, reporting,
Correct.
auditing,
Correct.
compliance.
और मुझे भी ये भी
While-
लगता है कि there are a lot of
while
new
there's-
jobs which will also be created.
Of
at
course,
those
wherever there is human interaction and critical thinking and decision making,
Hmm.
AI cannot replace humans.
और सीमा क्वालिफिकेशन वुड इम्पैक्ट देयर बिकॉज वो बहुत प्रैक्टिकल है और
उसमें ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन की बहुत जरूरत है, उसमें क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग की बहुत जरूरत है. सो भगवान ने हमें ह्यूमंस को दिमाग दिया हुआ है which AI can never replace.
वेल सेड सर, वेरी वेल सेड,
You know?
वेरी वेल सेड.
And that is why today, no doubt कितनी भी टेक्नोलॉजीज आ जाए, but humans will always be on top. It is humans who don't embrace AI. They will be replaced not by AI. They'll be replaced by finance professionals who embrace AI.
Awesome, awesome. आपने राउंड टेबल्स की बात की. Is it in the public domain? I mean, anybody across their careers in whatever, I mean, they could be a fresher or they could be an experienced professional. Can they access these round tables?
Yes, they can access online when
हाँ,
we
हाँ
post
जी,
them,
online.
because it is only by invite.
जी, जी.
Right? We are very, very particular about who we invite on those roundtables because the insights from those
Exactly.
professionals
मैं वही बोला.
goes into our curriculum.
जी.
And that is why अगर आप हाल ही में देखेंगे कि हमने AI को incorporate किया है हमारे case studies में.
Awesome.
So how do you leverage? So we don't teach how to code because we leave it that coders also. Sam Altman has clearly said, जो founder है OpenAI का, that 80% of coding is going to be redundant. Coders are going to become redundant. Coding is going to be completely taken over by AI.
Very true.
They can code faster, better, quicker, right?
And with less errors actually.
Right. What we teach is how to leverage AI to become more productive. So what are the AI tools that they need to do? How to improve your prompts?
Wow.
How do you leverage blockchain to sort out your supply chain issues?
अच्छा जी.
How do you leverage AI to augment your marketing, which traditionally a finance professional would never get into?
सर कहीं ना कहीं एक ओवरलैप हो गया है. Gone the days when you can always only call yourself as a finance guy. You're no more a finance guy. You are, as you said, a value
Chief value
professional.
officer.
I'll call it a value professional because
Yeah.
you could be anywhere in the ladder. You're a value professional, and वो टेक्नोलॉजी का ओवरलैप होना बहुत एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जॉब्स चेंज होंगी, हाँ बिल्कुल चेंज होंगी, बिल्कुल जाएंगी उन लोगों की जो शायद वो ओवरलैप एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहे आज की डेट में. जिन्होंने वो ओवरलैप एक्सेप्ट किया है और आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश की है, आई थिंक दे विल डू प्रीटी वेल in the whole experience in terms of the journey.
Absolutely, we are seeing that, and we are seeing professionals who embrace AI get about 3x of their salary, current CTC. And companies, in fact, are letting go of people who are not embracing AI, and that happened
एक
recently.
क्वेश्चन सर, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. अगर मैं आपसे एक पिच पूछूं कि why should somebody look at SEMA as a qualification, and I would want to call it a 1-minute pitch. How would you, I mean, across the journey, कोई भी किसी भी एक्सपीरियंस पे हो वो, और उसको सीमा क्यों करना चाहिए, वो अगर आप मेरे को 4-5 लाइन में एक्सप्लेन कर पाए.
Okay.
गूगली है सर आपके लिए, सॉरी फॉर दैट.
नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. I'm used to, I do it for a living. So, अगर आप अपने करियर में कंफर्ट जोन में रहना चाहते हैं, अगर आप 9 to 5 जॉब करना चाहते हैं, अगर आप बिल्कुल स्ट्रेस नहीं लेना चाहते हैं, तो आप डेफिनेटली सीमा नहीं कीजिए.
Awesome.
दिस इज नॉट फॉर यू.
Okay.
बट अगर आप ग्लोबल एक्सपोजर चाहते हैं, अगर आप ग्लोबल मोबिलिटी चाहते हैं, अगर आप ग्लोबल ट्रैवल करना चाहते हैं, इफ यू वांट टू कीप अप विद द लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड्स, if you, I don't want to sound scary and do fear mongering here by saying that you lose your job, which you will, but I don't want to get into that. I want to talk about opportunities. If you want to really grow in your career, if you want to be at the forefront of at the industry and your career, तब आपको सीमा करना चाहिए. So depends if you want to be static in life or you want to be dynamic in life.
So before we end this podcast, is SEMA for entrepreneurs?
So SEMA actually is always associated with finance because Chartered Institute of Management Accountants.
Correct.
But so I was just going to complete is that we also have engineers who want to get into SEMA. In fact, we run a batch for engineers.
No, these engineers could be getting into a job, but I'm talking specifically from an entrepreneur perspective.
Correct. So these engineers want to start their own company. That's where I was coming from. Okay. We also have doctors who want to do SEMA. In fact, we have a doctor who was associated with a very large hospital chain, right? For obvious reasons, I can't take names because of data privacy. He was doing SEMA, and I asked him, I said, sir, why are you doing SEMA? I mean, this is finance and you have done medicine. He said, because I want to start my own chain of diagnostic centers. I want to understand how a business is run. I was never taught finance in medicine.
Awesome.
I can repair a bone. I can, have basic knowledge of how to resuscitate a person, do CPR. And in my field, I'm great. But I don't know how to run a business. Because finance कभी मुझे सिखाया नहीं गया था.
SEMA would give you
But SEMA will teach me not only finance, but SEMA will also teach me strategy. SEMA will also teach me decision making. SEMA will also teach me people skills. SEMA will also teach me business skills.
Wow.
SEMA will also teach me leadership skills.
सर आप ऐसा बोलेंगे तो मेरे को लगता है मेरे को बाहर निकल के अपने लिए पहले एनरोल करना पड़ेगा.
Please. I mean,
no, but this was convincing. In fact, this was indeed convincing. Thank you so much for being here with us. It's a really good discussion which we had. अभी तक वो एक mindset था कि शायद एक somebody in their professional career, job के हिसाब से SEMA is the way to be. But जिस तरह से आपने beautifully बताया कि this is for everyone. And I think anybody who want to start and get into a startup or who wants to grow in life with practical case studies around, with a lot of exciting new stuff, ये curriculum change होता रहता है. कितने टाइम में change होता है सर?
This changes every year. We come up with updates, but it is not restricted to a year. If anything changes, we bring that in our case study.
Awesome.
So our case studies run every quarter in a year.
Okay.
Right. So if let's say हमने first quarter में कुछ launch किया AI के ऊपर, and there is something new like ChatGPT 5 आया है.
जी.
We can immediately dynamically change that in our case study following case study.
Wow.
So like I said, it's a very dynamic.
Faculty updated रहते हैं?
We don't have any faculty that is not updated. That is a requirement.
Wow.
So we train the faculty. We do FDPs, faculty development programs, where we update the faculty on the latest trends.
Wow, well, that's a lot. That's a lot as far as the qualification is concerned. I think हर किसी को सीमा को एक्सप्लोर करना चाहिए. दिस इज समथिंग विच वुड एड वैल्यू टू योर करियर. दिस वुड as he correctly said, अगर आप लाइफ में कंफर्ट चाहते हैं तो शायद ये आपके लिए क्वालिफिकेशन नहीं है. बट अगर आप लाइफ में रियल ग्रोथ चाहते हैं, अपना नाम बनाना चाहते हैं, तो सीमा इज द क्वालिफिकेशन फॉर यू. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर सर.
Thank you. It's an absolute honor.
Pleasure having you here. It's an honor for us, sir, and we look forward for more such interactions.
बिल्कुल.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.